Now let's see, can we apply our this while loop in any array or list data? Yes, we can do this also. Let's make this script again simple without any continue or break by deleting this one. Now let's convert this number data as list data by using this one. Here is our list data. The variable name is I, and in here all I need to do is just give the index number of a particular data inside of this list data, and we already know how to indicate this by using index number, and the index number will be the beginning number in here. Just convert this I as I with the index number of a data inside of the list, and in here it will be 10 or less than 10 as we have 1 to 10 value, so we can't increase more than 10. And in here we also need to add the index number as increment. Now let's delete this result and run this. See, is not it very interesting? So first of all, while loop will search what is the value of I with index number 0, which is 1. Then if it is less than 10, then print this. Here it has been printed as 1. Then increase the number 1 by adding 1 by using this increment script. After that, the I with index number 0 value will be 2. Then while loop will go to the start point. In here Python will get I with index number 0 value is 2. Then it will print again, by which we have got this result. Then I with index number 0 will make an increment, the value will be 3. Then it will go to the starting point. In here it will get the value is 3, which is less than 10. Then again the loop will be continue until the value will be less than 10. That is why when it will get the value is 10, then the loop will be stopped. Before 10, it will continue its printing. We can add, break and continue also in here. Say, I want to continue this. Let's add our continue script. If I is equal to 6, continue. Let's run this. See, in here it will print all of this value except 1 and this 6. See, in here it will be started from 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 7. It will stop printing 6, then continue after 6 again. Remember, in our normal while loop script, first of all we need to add this while script, then we need to add print script, then we need to add increment. When we will add our continue script, in that case, first of all, we need to add the increment script, then our continue script, then print. And what was our breaking script? In breaking script, we need to add print script, then our breaking condition, then our increment. Let me write this again. For break, it will be in here, and after that our breaking statement, be careful about indentation, space and enter. Let's run this break. Now save it, run this. So I repeat, as a normal while loop, the script will be give the variable value, then while script, then print script, then increment script. When we add a break condition, all we need to do is just add a break condition inside of this print and increment. And when we add continue script, it will be reversed. We will add the increment first, then our continue script, then we will add print script finally. So this is the difference between continue and break. And we already have learned we can apply while loop also in our array or list data. Now play with this in your script.